there is an operator for concatenation of strings, and this operator is actually shown with this plus sign, and it is used to join the strings. It concatenates, or you can say joins, two or more strings and returns the result as a new string. If at least one of the arguments in the expression is of type string and there are other operands of different type different from string, they will be automatically converted to type string, which allows successful string concatenation. So whenever we are trying to write two different strings, or then we have to add a plus in between them in order to get them displayed as a single word on our screen. Now if you just look at this example, and yes, so if you can see, there is string csharp.net equals to csharp plus .net, and then we are giving it a command to write line, and this is the same thing as above, and then we are also giving another string which is csharp.net 4, which is equals to csharp.net plus, again a space, plus 5. So what is happening in this code? We have initialized two variables of type string and assigned them values. Like this was the one string, this was the second string, and we have assigned them the values. On the third and fourth row, we concatenate both strings and pass the results to the method console.writeLine. So we are actually writing those names of the strings instead of the values, so it would be automatically printing these values, csharp.net. On the next line, we join the resulting string with a space and the number 5. We assign the returned value to the variable csharp.net 5, which will automatically be converted to type string. On the last row, we print the result. So whatever we are getting over here, we are now adding it with the space and 5, and we would be getting csharp.net plus 5, space plus 5. So do you get that?